What talk for there? Yeah, now I said we talk for there. Because we there outside talk. We don't talk almost about 9 minutes. Because they forward down. And they ask you, who they talk for there. Listen.
What they talk for there? Now they talk.
The man.
Now they talk.
What do you talk? Okay. Why the beat of right now? Why the beat of right now? Why don't you collect the children? Wait first, wait. Why the beat your children? You want to go to collect your why the beat your wife? Okay, you get evidence in the sleep like you get evidence. Put on speaker, let you hear my voice. Hello.
If they hear your voice, if they hear.
I thought I get evidence in the sleep like what I get evidence. It's okay. I thought I get evidence in the sleep like you get evidence.
What would be it?
It has to be this one.
That's why they ask you, not who they talk.
Okay, here now. Organic when I tell me cause Shosha at the wait. You know why? He was able to manipulate this woman in a way that if they threaten this woman with Shosha, with government. Because why? This one don't fuck up. You don't go Shosha, come back. You see how? Organic when I tell me cause Shosha at the wait. Underline that thing. Just underline. Let's go.
I don't be now the matter. You know when just that matter.
You know be mad. Why would the work for social? Can't you maintain your home? And you not be mad. You know how many food I don't talk to permanently. Well, you know how many food I don't talk to. That's how working. That's how working. Why they behave like that? Why they behave like this? Okay. He say he use language talk say tell her make he stop prostitution. Tell me stop, make she stop prostitution. Mona tell her make he stop prostitution. That's how the man talk with language. In case you don't hear that part. That's how he talk. Okay? Why you beat that? Okay, according to this man, he said that time when he did a walk before, say now the woman they live for house. Now that time it they happen. So now, where are your evidence? Say this woman, your wife, if they read they sleep with your neighbor, Arabu. Your wife so come you go carry and make go somewhere for juju place. Make she come swear. If she read they sleep with Arabu, okay, me don't understand though. If you are really a man, woman when they sleep with Arabu, now you say they give you more than one rank. I don't understand. Woman, when you not say your wife when they sleep with Arabu, the same woman now you say one rank not do for you. You say you say one rank not do for you. Say you need more than one rank. At least minimum 3, 2. Now you need from your wife. But you don't say this woman they sleep with Arabu according to you. Common sense no common. Or your sister, what's what as your sister, where are boy? What I have police, what police have what about become police for you now? They'll say call police for you. Okay, I don't want to play a pass there. There's a reason for that. He said, made you my cause Shosha. Now that one you want as a man. So, and the woman was ready to cause Shosha, which is that yesterday. But according to what he entered my brain, if I thought you want to involve Shosha, Shosha didn't involve anyway. no be wanna get goes like this for streets. For streets. And on 2 day school. 2 day school. The one I bought for Jama, the day school. When one day your hand carry good daughter. I was able to stop that gap that yesterday. May not enter social hand. You understand? Say na goes the day. Okay, you ask me now. Now the woman they go appointment. You ask me why the man follow him. Are they going together? The answer is no. Are they going together now? The answer is no. They are not going together. It just they follow the woman. If the woman enter bus, he will enter the same bus. If the woman come down, he will come down. Why? Because if he say the woman, if he finish for where she dey go, she will go knock. Wife will you marry for us? You are giving yourself high blood pressure. Because why? If for example say that true, why can't you quit? Why can't you quit as the man now? Why can't you quit? Because I'm talking to you now in perspective of man. Why can't you quit? What are you waiting for? Okay, just say if they follow him. If the woman they do it, for example, see, don't change our words. We're not trying to justify cheating, okay? But me they imagine, say if the woman did they cheat on this man, now this way, the man want to go about it. Maybe for example now, he can't follow her now. Maybe the woman can't see one man. Because the man say, now my wife, oh, now my wife, now my wife, now my wife, oh, not carry him, oh, now my wife. Is that not headache? Why? Because of no job. Because of no job. If you are working, you go and work 12 hours, 9 hours, 8 hours, and you are tired, sleeping. All these things, you will not even know about all these things. This one are the same woman. This one are the same man. When Jama throw away, go put for Italy. When Perere the woman after 2 children. When Perere enter Italy, say may come back. May come meet them back. May they leave Germany, they come start life for Italy. Which the man did. Which the woman did. But today now the woman, now the sufferer. She did regret. I wish I know I for not come up for Germany. I wish I know I for stay Germany. I wish I know I for not even think and say I want to come back to Italy. Jama not pursue me. Jama not pursue me. Now in the pursue not be me. Then I can follow her. Enter Italy. Do you understand? Now, Pekus not be waiting till they eat once. You understand? Because the only key point when the woman tell me, and if you look the dialogue, you will from there think, say, that's what the woman they complain about, and the dialogue when the man say you make with this woman, now almost the same. You understand? Now almost the same. So the woman tell me, say, the problem that they have, now problem of Bola and Pekus. In the sense that the man don't like one rank, he don't need that for his life. Say he will do top of woman, he don't come. The woman will say he don't continue again for the second one. That one number one problem. But she not get the strength. She don't get the strength. And great sister fine queen, welcome. That she don't get the strength to take do 2 rank. But Oga, why can't you understand? If you do 1 rank in the morning, as they want break, why you not wait for in the evening? Make the woman see gather power. Not be all woman strong for that. Not be all woman strong for that. Or why you not cause it bearer reach the next day then? Not because of this one. Because you don't get job. Because you don't get job. If you read the work 12 hours. If you read the work 12 hours. You the work 12 hours. As you reach us, you are there for bed. If your wife even open up for you, he will not see him. He will they see you. Bekus will they see you. Bekus will they ease for you. When they communicate, because you don't tire. You don't tire. You don't tire. Now the Bekus will they ease. Will they ease. Then you will tell her, say, I beg, I'm not this strong. I'm not this strong. You know they communicate. No, they communicate together. Because you don't get work, then all your attention now is focused on Bekus. If you're the bedroom, your wife they cook. Last one, what I do you? Last one say, you never say anything. Last one, what I do you? What I do last one? What I do you? One of our taffo. You understand? Now because I say, this man is jobless. When you are jobless, please, women, please, if your husband is jobless, please reduce the quantity of pepper, please. Please. Please, that beg with day. If you want to make a need that, I feed it that. Reduce the quantity of pepper when they put for your food. Reduce them. People don't even know about these things. Reduce the quantity of pepper, reduce them. Please. If he's jobless, anytime don't they eat finish now. The wife now they wash plate for kitchen. What do you think? You think about I want to enter madam. Madam I don't tire. 3 children. You never they help this woman. You don't know say if you know they help woman and that's what we say you like Bekus and you know they help your wife. Your wife don't ever this strong for bed. You know ever this strong for bed. That is the truth. You understand? Why your wife they refuse them? Your wife don't want maybe say you can't destroy and finish for bed. Then now she will take care of those children, cook for you, wash plate, clean the house, go appointment. You could be like say what is supposed to enjoy. You could be like say now suffer. Now you they suffer. Now they make this woman they refuse second rank for you. Everything na common sense. Now brain. This life now brain work. If you are helping your wife, no matter even na 3 times, okay, then anything can happen. The woman not say yes. I don't want to suffer now. After you don't do your wife 3 times, then you expect the woman. You will not like that for bed like Oswald. You like that for bed. The woman when you do the vaga, you expect the woman make it come out, go toilet, go breathe tissue for you. That is laziness. You understand? When I would tell now, make una call the learn small, despite the hatred. Say una say and women are the join. I not still care, but make una the learn small. Let me tell you something. For marriage, marriage na school, nobody they graduates. Where you for no, I know if you know for there. Where for no, you know if you know for there. Everything now brain. Now, the same way do man they complain now. Now be your dialogue when you go tell us okay. If you don't want. With this person, Black Adeleke, little bros will be another Sogo Saga master. What did I do again, my brother? Okay, last but say at my age, 3 round, I know they because you know they work now, you know they work. Now be the problem. It's not working. You understand? So now, for you to know say what this woman they talk now the same. Let me tell you something. Let me be honest here. Any man when you know say wife really cheat on her, he get evidence. Say wife really cheat for her. No man, no, you know they, no man. When you say when you are married or when you are both married, I also say man they when we not say wife go to sleep with another person. Then he will come one day like that with the same woman. He tell her say I want to go 5 rank, I want to go 4 rank. He condition the woman now. Say now on one condition, want to play along with you. They make government not say everything they okay. Now if with their house after 1 rank, make with a double rank, maybe 2 or 3. Now what you make the woman crack come out now, the woman they fear that thing well because why? The man they help her. The man just to sit down for us. They follow the woman. They go everywhere. They follow and they go everywhere. They go take the woman back. Then the woman will be front. And then the woman come back. Before the woman come back. Man, any man when they walk, I want to do all these things. I agree to Brother Prince. Brother Prince, your attention is needed. I don't say just they come. You know? Because now they walk. So you see how this woman they put herself for problem. For many ways. One, he get chance to test Germany. Let the government decide whether the one can come out or not. But she come out by herself. Go meet this man. He still reach Italy. Then this thing still happen. Okay? Then the same woman, government carry her come out for the man side. Go put her for place where she want for relax with the children. The same woman go back to this man. Now we don't reach the woman here now. You don't fool. She dey cry every day. She dey cry every day. Beating. So the man talk. The man say, because now blackmail. That blackmail. You cannot see man when they in the rightful sense. Say your wife they cheat on you. Then una they married legally. Then you know if you do something about it. Then you just say, make una tell her make leave her shago. May leave her shago now. May leave her shago. One tell her may leave her shago now. Then you they beat them because of say you say they do this one, they do that one. Does that make any sense? Does that make any sense? You even know say if you marry woman, traditionally for Nigeria or for Edo State, let me put it that way. Before that woman will open her, shake you for hand. In some places it's forbidden. Married women, some area for Edo State, they know they shake man for her side. You know that one. In some places, you know if you hold woman for waist for her side. Not talk or say another person they sleep with your wife and you know it. Now what you do matter they talk. One do woman come on leave you, you come on go they beg the family. That means that you get problem. Why were you begging? For let the woman go. For let her go. You don't let her go. You don't let the woman move forward. It's a big problem. It's a very big problem. Now, how husband will open mouth? They make that kind dialogue. Say, as it be like this, if you don't want to make her misbehave, for where she shall day, not be say one so. If you give me more than one, then if they come and we all play along, for you to know say these people they know what they are doing, this should shine. They know when they come during the time when children take there for house. Underline. They want they come the time when children not there for house, when this man and this woman are there for house. Then they want they come. Who do they monitor? Not be the man, not the woman. Because why? Now the woman tells you the man don't change. Right? Then the one can see the changes when this woman really tell them about say the man don't change. Now they want to come there, come they stay with them. They observe how they live their life. So automatically, those children now, their enemy, will not put them for line with the government. Before I even pretend, then if you just give me more than one, not be one, I don't need one. I don't be man of one. If you just give me more than 1, 2, 3, if they come, I'll coordinate myself. I'll coordinate. Not be said I only one, so you all give me one to say if they come. If you don't give me, I'll count that one for you. Say you don't give me. Okay? The day when they will come again, I'll they misbehave. I feel they break things safe. But not say we not they okay. You see, huh? What do they call that one? Manipulator. You don't see rope take tie the woman. I know say the woman, the orator say, what will happen now? Why this man they do me like this? I got what they tell me, the man they were even today. Why this man they do me like this? The man no say, if God may collect my children, you know what affect her if he go born again. Because I be the woman. And I make her, if they do like this, because you know say, it will affect me only. You know what affect her only. You see, we have now they made mistake. Who tell you say if God may collect children, not they affect man? Who tell you? Who tell you like that? Now all man when leave you come on feed the born for outside. You know how many men when don't leave their wife, they don't feel born for outside. You know how many? You know how many? It is not by age. May I tell you the age of my grandfather they born? Not by age. Now those things when they think for your mind, now this man they manipulate you. Madam, now set another rope for yourself. Social ask you, is good, is not good. Because when you lie to them, oh God, they know the truth. They just want to cut, they want to hold you by their self. They know the truth. They are not stupid. They were trained for this. They won't just hold you. Then if they hold you, then from there, you will know that cannot be leather. They don't arrest you, but rather, down our children, not be their targets. If marriage is not working, I'll be saying it time to time, don't manage. Don't manage. They don't manage marriage. They don't manage it. You understand? When they call it just to this basketballs, this beating on daily basis because of bekus. Huh? Okay, wait till you they beat your wife before your wife give you this thing. You first beat her, come drag her enter bed. You know say not only man they enjoy that thing. Woman self see they enjoy the thing. Woman when you come beat now, you they enjoy that. You don't feel see enjoy that because why? You don't suffer yourself for nothing. You just want come. When you come finish, you come don't mean say you enjoy the thing. You understand? Nothing like because when you use happiness they do, and use happiness they come down. Oga, you get problem. Seeing your voice alone, you can't even be like woman. That was a woman voice. You can't even talk like woman. Because why? You know they work. That's the problem. That's the problem. I've had talking right from time. If you know say you don't get the spirit of tolerance as a man, don't just go into marriage. Marriage not be for you. Marriage not be for you. Just leave marriage alone. Just clean your hands. Just leave marriage alone. Because the first thing that required in marriage is the spirit of tolerance. To have this tolerance in you. You understand? I never seen this one before for my life. When I hear her, I was like, what kind of dialogue with this one? How you will lose work for many years now? You not go look for another work. Okay, why can't you go and do shorty? At least, for carry bag, go to do shorty. Go to beg money. It's normal. Go to beg money. Because that one will see they keep you busy since you never get work. Will they keep you busy since you never get work? You see the problem? Now the highest education. Oh, bless you, my brother. Will keep you busy. Because you dey inside house. Now make because they enter your mind all the time. No be joke. Because you dey inside house, madam will cook. You go eat. Okay, what you don't know, I don't be doctor. But let me just use common sense. I'm the doctor. Let me use common sense. You see those food you they eat so as a man. They eat all kind of food, all those meat, all those assorted, all those big meat. I wish they go outside now go they work. All those work where they work, it would help you. They suppress a lot of things for your body. Would they throw away for your body? Would they say sun? They do hard work. Would they throw away many things for your body? But because you know they work, not you throw away those things for your body. All those things now, they form sperm for your body all the time. Now sperm they form for your body. Now sperm they form for your body. Nothing they throw away some for outside, for work or for outside for sun. Nothing. As you they eat them, it they form sperm for your body. Now it make you they want to go to drop all the time. To go to drop, to go to drop, to go to drop, to go to drop all the time. You don't know. It's a big problem. Because common sense is not common. Oga, go find work. The rate we I see for here, now for you to go find work. Go and look for work. And madam, if you allow this person, they manipulate you, okay? Just because of say, you don't make government take your children. If they manipulate you, madam, last. I don't pray this prayer for you. Last. He said they smoke you. Ijimi. Don't you have to ask him? I say they smoke. He say yes. If they smoke Igbo, he say yes. They smoke Igbo. He say yes. Nothing she tell me. I know I all go that area. Maybe for FYP not call they cry. Now because I just remove myself for that area. Because a lot of men they smoke Igbo. If you see any man where they smoke Igbo for Europe, when he marries good, when he marries good, just know that kind of man, now God your stand for her. That kind of man, now God your stand for her. Any man when your husband is smoking Igbo, any woman your husband is smoking Igbo, and the marriage can't work out, just know say, now God just stand for that marriage. And that woman still get grace. You understand? Many men for abroad now, when they smoke Igbo. Madam, if you understand, I try to talk now. If your husband is smoke Igbo, I'll give you one secret now. If your husband is smoke Igbo, as your husband they come for work, make it eat. Okay? Carry her enter bed. Make come sleep with you for bed. Carry her enter. Just monitor them. Don't let her enter toilet. Go no, don't let her enter toilet. Go free do. No. Just carry her enter toilet. Don't let her enter toilet. Okay, say this one Capri. He say as they smoke weed, I and my wife have been married for 15 years. What I said, okay, you go no say now your wife grace, let's see make your marriage they work till today. Now your wife grace make your marriage they work till today. If not, many men when I see that when they smoke Igbo, their marriage they collapse from abroad on daily basis. Not let your wife enter, not let your husband enter bedroom, okay? Just enter inside house with her. Lock your door. Okay, enter. Look, we see something. You still say your husband, he not just do anything for bed. He don't know anything for bed. He don't know anything for bed. Anything about bed, he don't know. What did I want to tell you? If that same husband old, that sex what did they do during old age? Your husband won't do anything with you. Just cancel and you don't finish. You know they. You know why? These men, if they be like drunkard, they be like ogogoro smoker. Anything when they do will not be your clear eye. Will not be your clear eye. No be real. Na artificial it be. Na artificial it be. No be real. You understand? They go smoke it go finish. They are bola call you big like this. You're big like this. Then they do you. Their mind there for village. You see how? Their mind not there. Check them where. Check them where their mind there with you. Their mind not there with you. Their mind there village. Person when you offended, that's what they did when they primary school. They go think about that person. That person they think. Oh, if you just say that because they do you, now it make they not quit they come. Now lie. Now what you don't understand? Now what be women? Now what be women? That's what you don't understand. If they do woman, you know concentrate on the woman. You know quick come. Some men that one is some secret one I don't know. Okay. If your wife they say you don't, you they quit they come. Okay? If you do that kind of woman, not focus your attention on the woman. They think about other people, just because other people they smoke it, that's what they do. You understand? They don't quick come. That's what it be. Don't they think about another thing entirely. But just they do the work. You know quick come. Now strategy. Life na strategy. Nothing people don't understand. God bless you, last boy. And they like people who understand all these things. We know the thought truth. Then they worry us for this media. We know the thought truth. We know they let people know the truth. Remove your mind for there. Carry your mind, go that place. If your mind they in contact with what you they do, and before you know, you don't come. Okay. They say you can last for 1 hour. See now. You see now? Caprio. Is what I talk now? Now it dilute so say you can last for 1 hour. Laugh that strategy. But when I don't understand. Good afternoon, I greet you. Bobby Faith. Laugh that strategy. We know these things. We know these things. Make you just remove mind, come up for what they do. You will be the woman, you will enjoy them. You will enjoy them. But in mind will come up for there. As soon as I put mind for there, it don't come with that. All these people say that they do all these things. Now brain that they use brain. You understand? Life now brain. Life now brain. Life now brain. You understand? If you don't use this brain, the brain will use you. More power tap. The women shock. The women in the building now they shock. Why they shock? They hear new thing from me. Now they shock. When I see comment again, no comment. Because they shock. They think about this, they say, what the brothers they talk? What the brothers they talk? Not be only made the right now. The women not feel right again. The reason I say okay. Okay. I get a question for you. Mama, I beg go. Not the question. What is your question, Mama? What is your question? Wahala will take this broadcast today. I don't see her finish. For my view to say he get question for me, that means I don't enter one chance on this broadcast. So now so it be my people. So if they smoke igbo, you like to smoke igbo. He said I never drop Michael. If you smoke igbo, don't take this thing personal because you know so I try to talk. Okay? I know they smoke, not me say I the talk say I the condemn because I still get brothers where they smoke. You understand? I still get brothers. When I say brothers, don't mean my biological. Yes, I get brothers where they smoke. I get only one brother from my master where they smoke, and my small brother is they smoke, you know. I guess I saw girl uncle when they smoke. You understand? So not take to yourself, okay? And you know the truth, and I know the truth. You understand? You know the truth, and I know the truth. So please say I was once a smoker. Dr. Prince, he said I was once a smoker. So don't take it to yourself alone. Okay, it's still in my body. That's why I know they smoke. My own junior brother they smoke, and some of my uncle they smoke. You see, when we talk for here, it not me say we they talk to directly to you. I just see for FYP now, you all they cry because you they smoke, or somebody all day for FYP now you all hold with for hand. You all the vest, you all the paddle, not paddle for anything. Okay, so if you love me, say I was once a smoker. I never smoked for my life. Since this period, I never smoked before. Now try you. I want to stop her. Now try. So now so it be. Now so it be. So if you know say this man, if you know say you want to really hold your family, okay, what you will do? Go and look for a job. Okay? Because it will be a big disgrace. Say somebody, now they tell your wife, say, take money. Because me wonder where una for the same money take the feed. Say this one on the work, this one on the work. And that thing, they're supposed to focus as a man. Supposed to focus on that thing. How you want to make your family. Not maybe they threaten your wife with shosha. You understand? Not to say as a man, it will affect you. It will still affect you. See, I talk for this platform all the time. Okay? As a woman, why it not good may you put all your attention for a man when you first born? If you put your full attention for man when you first born, if you think a man when you first born pikin before, then you come but just care for that person, you dey waste time. There's no way that man can love your children more than the children you have before. That's what we met the reason. That's what we be. That's what we be. Do you understand? So because I'll be going to work, make I hang my mark here, make I bring Mommy V, make her ask me the question. So if I wait till I feel answer, I will answer them. If I wait till I don't feel answer, then I will postpone her. Make we see. But if you can ask me a question, I will wait for you. It don't do your since. I never know.
Good morning, sir.
I greet you, Mama. Good afternoon.
Good morning, sir. Good afternoon.
Please mute your side.
So, good afternoon, everyone.
Good afternoon, Mama. We greet you.
Good afternoon, everyone. Brother Austin, good afternoon. You are looking so cute.
Thank you, Mama.
You just dressed today. Can't they tell us this story? This dressing not fit this story at all. This dressing, it not fit this story. This dressing. You don't use this dressing take for water.
One,
Well,
they don't disqualify me from one side.
Yes, number one. So number two, you say people where they take something, they knock well, say they know the level woman is. What do make me want to ask you this question? Because my husband, you know they take anything. How did you see that? Or you get what he did?
No. That's not what I mean. That's not what I mean. You not understand well. You know me say, now people when they take something, now they know how to knackle. That's not what I mean. No, that's not what I mean.
Okay.
See, people when they take something,
Because
they that thing when they take, now they still support themselves. You understand?
Yes.
They knack. You know me
yes, I
say
understand.
that they knack
Because me, I
pass.
know what they lost. I know one loss. You know,
Yes.
as with the teach us, we need to understand. You understand?
Yes,
When
yes.
I know my husband get very high libido.
Yes.
My husband and man will get very, very high libido. You know, I need to put time for therapy. I take put am for therapy. Now me put am by myself. You know the problem where this woman they face. This woman, she's not too. I don't want to say a word that will offend her. I don't know, because she's a mother, as I am, and she's a woman. Maybe before she started the date, she was not civilized. Sorry to say. Maybe before she know this man, she was not exposed. You know, when you are not exposed, man go they carry you up and down like breeze. When you expose, if man come your life, you see the exposure where you get say passing on, you go mellow down. The first day my husband took me out, we knocked for a taxi. You understand? E pa we mo glass yo to. Wo mo le na time no je. When we knock, I can't they look am because we just they know each other. I can't they say maybe not because we just they know. You know say if you just they know man, you go they shark both side. We go club before we reach his house, we go knock for passage. I can't they look this man. I can't say I saw this man be. How he can't be like this? This man, I saw he like, but I can't notice what he say. This man not they take anything. What be this man problem? He get high libido of sex. You understand? If they like, make it they knock me any given time and anywhere. So I can't position her. You understand me? I can't tell her say, Dali, see how they do this thing. They times stable yo. You know say I they walk in they walk. But that time we don't know. You understand me? Yes. They walk in they walk. We don't know, but that's as we just know. You know say if they knew they know man, the thing go they shack it. It go they the body go they do you every time. You know, I mean, and get what kind of connection where that is our connection con the guy take day. We know they feel resist each other. Once he just touch me, me walk water. Once he just touch me, me walk water. But the thing is, you know they force me. You know they do like say I must. I need to put on for where it belong. I need to say, Larry, this thing I say we take the do. When we call the fire they go, the thing can they go down small as I put her for therapy. If you want attack me, I tell her say where the last. Now we carry and go weekend. May we carry this thing go weekend. We know what they do every day. Maybe we put her stable. You know? So as you call the age for the relationship, you call the low. Because he can't they used to that my way. That they give her. You know, say many men for Europe, therefore they go outside. You know what they know? They feel go outside because you don't come for work, you don't come for work. You will come ask her where you day. You can't work. Why? You know there is no space of that too much. Make I go flirt for outside. You know to get that space because in work not give her that space. And me, the wife, I'm very observant. I can't place her for therapy. Tell her say this therapy, Oga, you go learn her. A weekend they say gagbele boa. You know they go work, me know they go work, we go do. So it can they adjust, you know why this woman will be like that. This woman, you know fit put your husband for that position. It's like he's afraid of the man. You understand me? And this woman, she is not exposed. If you exposed to taste of life, say don't fair date before, you don't fair know what to be like. You go tell this man from the beginning because this one not fit tell me say from beginning, no know as this man be. You know hear me now, sir?
Yeah, we hear you.
I'm the one that position my husband. If I'm ready to give my husband every blessed day, he will be glad. Sometimes when we call the age now, if I come from work, we don't already tell each other as I dey work, now go come, you go say, hey, baby, today na today. I say, me I ready. My wa will over that weekend dey na. Go say, today we go, hey, today, hey, we go do this and we go do this. I say, okay, we dey rake. If you all the chance, I don't tire, he say don't tire, but you go dey rake. Me I for not say this man don't tire. For if they your dark, me go sleep, I go just sleep, leave go like go sleep, leave because the next day. You call the ask ourselves, so first sleep. You go say, now you first sleep. I say, hey, oh boy, now you tire, me no tire. My back was not the eat or not that thing. Now this thing they eat. Now why? Now lie. Two of us we tire. You understand me? Put your glass very well. Two of us we tire. We sleep, leave the things, sir. You see, why? Because my husband they do more than 8 hours. Sometimes me they do more than 8 hours. Body no be body. As my husband libido high reach, now they tell you so. He tire because I tell her say my body, I not be sex toy. Sometimes I would like to call you when I'm ready. It's not only you go to call me. I am not a full housewife. I am not a full housewife. When man go come, pennies. You go to take clip pennies. I have a clip. I have a clean Ebola. I tell my man, if he tell me if I not fit, I go tell her. I go just suffer, relax. He go say I don't hear madam. He go say okay, I want sleep. If you wake me later, I'll say okay, I feel wake you. If my mind sweet me, I wake. If my mind not sweet me, I'll sleep off. That one and that one. Another thing where I want hard. You get one of my auntie that time for Italy. He and the husband they smoke it go where. You understand? They go smoke it go. They go fight. Government come in. It don't reach 20 times where government come in. My auntie no one hear word. You understand? My auntie no one hear word. They go separate them. My auntie go back. So the one where they come fight last, they come go put my auntie for house where they put frau waiting. When they ask frau, they come go put my auntie there. They come tell my auntie say, oh no, I can't go let this man enter this place. My auntie say for it. After my auntie don't smoke, he go finish. He go sneak this man enter house. You see, huh? He go sneak and enter house. I can't dream. I can't call and say, auntie, I dream, oh. See what I see. You know answer me, oh. Now so that place where they sneak this man enter, this man go to fight for them. That place where they see sneaker enter, so they sneak and enter. He go still go there, go they fight. You see, another problem where this man gets, he brain it's something don't temper with his brain. If this woman not come out for this bondage, something will happen to her. This man's brain has been tempered. I don't know if someone speak that English. You understand? I'm not hearing you. Hello? Are you hearing me? Okay. This man's brain, something don't temper. This man is no more a normal human being. It happened to my own auntie. The man, he don't they do like crazy because the woman no want to see and say something don't temper his brain. You see the thing say get husband. You understand me? So as they come fight for them, now authorities come. Now the container say, madam, I tell we tell you say they get 2 children. I tell we tell you say we don't want to see this man for here. Why you still let this man come in? Man, they say I beg. No, my husband. I never ready to leave her. If I leave, I want call it children for. Now they say okay. May my auntie choose one out of the 2 options they want give them. Either they take this man home, you stay here, or you go home with him. My auntie say now before. You know, as a get after the sojourner, you want to do gragra. You want to after the sojourner, you want to work on phone. I don't know me where a man now or computer building. I'm not worried. So, man's going to do gragra. Police say, I die so at the Nigeria. Man, they tear cloth. I go follow my husband. They won't carry my husband. I go follow my husband. I don't tire. I go carry my husband. Now they tell my auntie say, sign paper. This time, your husband they go ask, you want stay or you want go? You say you want go. My auntie say now before. When they tell her say they want deport your husband, go they shout, they go leave her. Now they just come one early momo. They pack all of them put for car and they for Lagos. When my auntie come reach Lagos, he look here. And this is what they tell you. So my money there with her. My own money, where I could call for a hand, he there with her. Now my auntie call this Lagos. I see this Lagos, I call clear. Now wait for the carry luggage. Whoa. Now your husband vanish. Where they carry luggage? And the money where they get it, they with the mark. The small money where you carry. Where they do luggage? Whoa. Where now I vanish? This my own vanish. I just did the money, man, till not coming. If you, it just one lesson, yeah, you know, it just a lesson, right? What's that? What will lesson, right? You say, na Lagos, they say, no, get where they go. You don't get money for transport fare. I say, you not got money for transport fare before. You say, they just don't carry the money, don't run. You hear them? Because many women feel say, now to do slave follow man, that be the issue. You are just slaving yourself. That man not there where you did. Now let you dey inside there. That place where you did so. Where you just say you get man. Now let you did there. So now my to go Benin. He reach Benin. If the brothers they start to the follow and drag the house, you know see her center. You know see her center. So now in church come a completed building. Now you have 2 children come they sleep. A completed building. Now you have 2 children come they sleep. They come they find they want to talk to the brothers, make they leave the house for her. They come they beg her. Then they say how she go. Oh, suddenly like that, they no inform them. I say, but let me get my house. I'm not need to inform. Yeah, they say, wait till make you go there for no madman. We not tell you. Make you leave this man. Because of that one, what we go use your eyes see. Now because of this man, now they bring you come house. You go hear me. Now they abandon this their sister for street. Oh. Papa Jesse will not see until today when me and you talk. We don't see this. That one, how many now borrow? Wow, that one finish. The last one on the list. When my last born are the last 2 boys where I get, when they get stressed for school, they call right me and my husband. Now this one be the last one. When I not vex, so I take una time. They call us, me and my husband, because my husband they very very harsh. Now my eye they look oh, you know say me, I not care. If they look my eye, my husband they very very harsh. But if they look my eye, hey, you know say if I don't talk, I'm an home. You know as they do. When they call us, thank God say, not because of say they beat pikin, now they take call us. Now school matter, they call us. So as they call us, they can't ask my children. They can't lock me and my husband for outside. They can't ask my children. Say, yeah, your papa and your mama they quarrel. They fair ask us. Now we say we not the quarrel. Now the woman laugh. Now the woman say no, not the quarrel. Now we say no. So then because okay, maybe we go outside. We can't go outside. They can't call the 2 boys. They come they say, your papa, your mama they quarrel. Now the last one say, they're not the quarrel, but they sometimes they will shout it to each other. Their papa go be shout. Now say they shout for no mama. They say yes, police don't ever come. They say no, police don't, but they sometimes they argue. And are true. Now they can't call us inside. They can't ask us say, una they argue at all, you know they argue at all. Now my husband say, no, before they call us again, you know say children not they lie. You understand? Before they call me and my husband again, all my face don't red. All my face don't red. Because I feel well. If I get stressed, all my face go red. They not they beat me or not they cry. But that stress, all my face go red. I can't go toilet. Me and my husband can't go toilet. I can't tell my husband say, I want go piss. I want go piss. As I reach toilet, I just pull tissue from my body. I just bring out blood. I can't say, Ubege. I just see red thing for inside my body. Hey, my husband say, because of this mountain, now you want to die. Now I say, no. I tell you, say not the shot for these children. Me to say that because of that one. Hey, my this time I tell you, so my husband don't. It remains small for your body. When you see my situation, what do you make me they talk this one? Because man will not they consider they consider you as a woman, na evil person. Anything where they happen, my husband they always consider me. If they listen to me, you know what me I get stressed. Because if I get stressed, it go affect her. As my husband say that thing, they can't call us back. Then they come, okay, our children don't talk to them. So what will go happen? Maybe we know they shout for the children. Maybe we know they threaten. They say we want to be there. And they don't tell us the truth. And the truth, we know they fight, but we sometimes we dey violence. Now say okay. Now say I hear. When they can't leave us, I can't hold the 2 boys for hand. I can't tell my husband say, the day when you go shout again for these children. The day when you go shout again for these children, and me and you. They know they train children. As I say, they train children for Africa. They know they train children like that for Europe. I can't put my husband through. Could you believe, say, that time till this time, if something happen, I'll tell my husband, say, you know, they talk, but you go say, when you see blood, when you go see red thing, I bet talk to your children. I bet, you see, wahala, I no need problem. They talk to them by yourself. Because why?
Yeah.
You see problem. That is a man who still he head still correct.
Yeah.
What you make me they talk this thing? Consider your wife. Two of you have to connect together to put the government to shame. If your wife they go through stress, you did the right position to calm her down. You understand me? You need to calm her down because that man, something don't temper with that man brain. You understand me? That man is no longer a human being. But this woman, they say that man is still human being. That man is no longer a human being. Or where? Or ya woman. Or ma we na munye woman kwa.
At all.
Eka no egmen. Or having a rien. As I did so, I go tell my husband what I want and he go abide to it. Why? I dey work. I respect myself. I dey respect and go respect me. Respect not they go to one place. You are not a slave in your husband's house. You are not a slave. Respect is a reciprocal. He give to you, you give to him. What did that woman dey into? She's in slave and she's just giving herself out for sex slave. She's stressing herself. This thing can never be okay. This thing, it can if they expect change is not coming from nowhere. Why that man something don't temper with his head? If you not feel control your husband to know that this thing you are doing to me is bad and he's still doing it, that means the man is no longer a human being. Igbo or no Igbo, not be only in the smoke Igbo. He's no longer a human being. You understand me? He's taking advantage of that woman to maltreat her. She knows that the woman not get anything for brain. The woman, he not get anything from brain. If that man can't jump person like me, or I told me, if you see head, die pennies, he not go ever get up again till he die. Ekia ekbagbe, ekbagbe. I go put her for where it belong. That dick, he can never raise again anyhow. I go teach that he dick lesson. You understand me? So make that woman go find herself. She's lost. She's no longer herself. Let her go and find her. You know, if you dey Europe, you dey basically they slave you. Are you okay? You dey Europe, not be Nigeria, you dey Europe. And government you have your money, you have your money. Ekia any make sure woman dey back okay yawo. And that's my case.
Wahala.
Slavi, thank you. Thank you for that submission.
Thank you. We appreciate.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, Mama.
Bring me down for another person to come. I got the pepper ma. Got the pepper ma, they suffer. They bond ma. I better bring me down, sir.
Oh, thank you, Ma. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Guys, me and your rush because made the noise not disturbing now. Good afternoon, good morning.
My brother, welcome.
Good night from anywhere you're there.
Sure, good afternoon, we see you.
Epa, see, now small thing I just tell this lady before I come enter the one where our mommy talk. See, Mama, what I want to tell you now be this. Normally, they don't tell you say if anything happen, they will come for the children. So now, what me want me you do? Now for you to go back to me, then go confess. See, it's better for you to confess for them to consider you, for them to find out themselves. Because these people, they believe if you come to them and tell them the truth, they prefer than them finding the truth themselves. They not go consider you again, they not go pity for you. But if you go back and tell them now that this man, they beat me, he not even worse. I was thinking he don't change based on the way that see you let them know say what make you take him back is this because say he don't marry you, your culture, he called the two family, your family and their family. Now those old people make you agree to receive him back, and he promised them say if you do anything like this again, so you got to let them know because them self still know say the most problem with the face now from our way we dey live for Africa. So when you tell them now, they go come ask you, are you ready? If anything come, will you go back? Now you will say no. And I don't know whether that first time they give you any paper to sign. If you signed any paper, sorry, the children are gone. I don't know. So if you not signed any paper, this time, not still signed any paper. And this time, those family people, you block them. If not for you to change the number, make the man not get your number, make the family people not get your number, even your own family for now, for like a year or 6 months, may nobody get your number for you to get yourself first. If not so, if you still come out, it go still manipulate them for them to manipulate you again. Because the man knows, say, you love the children, and him, not be saying you not love the children. Because if those children come out just now, you go see that first time where the children come out. Now the children they feel most. That make can come they manipulate, say may you come. So in go still feel that. All this one when they do so. Now for you to be in sexual slave. Do you understand so? Because normally I know say the reason why you know they agree before where you never born for her. Anyone will need them because you know say you not get other stress now because of say you know they assist you. Now make you no one give her the way they give her before. Him now no one understand say he need to assist you for her to get her like that. And I don't know whether you yourself you let her understand, you talk to her and say, if you won't get her, you need to assist me. If I today they tired, I know they give you the way I they give you before, because you not go tell me say you know they give her pass 1 or 2 before, now be now. Do you understand? And so that is it. And another thing, when me I still get to understand the and be this. I want me people understand this. If you get somebody or a man will be say they attached to you, because if some men they are into you, they are ready to listen to you. They are ready to listen to you. May I not use the word love, because you know say that word love is big. Not be the way we they talking from mouth. It comes with a lot of sacrifice. But now I use the word. When some man is into you, anything you tell them that they like to do, and not because say now you just him they know, because they are into you. They want to listen to you because they are into you, because everything about you is just like after you. Now them, those are those. If you can't be woman, you get lucky to see that kind of men. Not if you say now so other men be. It still get some way you go even miss safe. You go surprise say you where you still call yourself will do God. You not go fit see things then. That is one thing I want people to understand. When someone is into you, it's very easy to listen to you. But when the person is not into you, it like when you dey talk from nothing, that kingdom come, it not go put ear. So mommy, and another update. I don't know say pepper still they make person the last long go. You just still give us a young shall grow. You they give us another update. Thank you, Ipa. So that one, and another one where you still talk. Another one where you still talk when you see Ipa, why you they laugh now? You know, say me, I they get different update every day for this last one. Another one where you talk. But Ipa, this one where you talk, I reason now. Person like me now, if me with my woman day, if me not they feel her, I want to feel my woman, me I could they forget, they think another thing. That's me, I'm not going to enjoy her. I need to feel her, I need to like feel her, day into her. So for me to come forget based on say, because I won't say me I go like 15 minutes, 20 minutes or 1 hour where our brother, I'll come forget say I did with my woman. Bros, I'm not going to enjoy her, I don't lie for you. It better say I enjoy her. She enjoy her for 5 or 15 minutes and say 1 hour.
Let me say, we enjoy her, okay? Because when you do that thing, not think only about yourself, you understand? So also to think about the woman's side, you understand? So many of us don't understand, say, not be only man they come, woman self still they come. Okay? So many of us don't know that one. The woman self still need to come.
Fact, a lot of them.
As you just enter, you meet 1, 2, 3, yeah. So the woman called this,
like our sister, Arrow, he said he might do yeah.
So when you do 1, 2, 3 Asia, think about this. Okay? I get some women, before themselves don't come, it take time. Okay? Will be like say you carry somebody reach Ore from Benin. You reach Ore. And you never reach Lagos. Before don't finish. So the person will not be happy. And one thing about these women, if that thing happen, they cannot tell you. You see? They can't tell you. But they may tell you with joke, but you will think that they don't mean it. They mean it. You understand? They feel use joke, they tell you. But that will pay them for inside their mind. That is strategy, because women, they already respect themselves. Maybe we not going to tell say, which can't be done one of those kind of stuff, you know? But they'll tell you with joke. Maybe yourself know say, that thing what you do, it don't make sense. Thank you. God bless you, my sister.